Friends, good morning. I have started your physics portion, chapter number 10. After telling you about light and its nature in my first lecture, today I am going to tell you about the reflection of light. Chapter 10. Continue. Reflection of light. But before starting reflection of light, I want to tell you some terms regarding reflection of light. So first point, say ray of light. A ray of light. What is ray of light? A straight path along which light travels in a medium. Ray of light. This is represented as this symbol, that is ray of light. A ray of light. Second thing, beam of light. A group of rays of light combine to form beam of light. A group of rays of light is called beam of light. One thing more, beam of light is of three types. Parallel beam, of light, convergent, beam of light, and third one is divergent beam of light. In a parallel beam of light, the rays of light are parallel to one another. This is parallel beam of light. That is, the rays of light are parallel to one another. Second thing, convergent beam of light. When a group of rays of light falls at a point like this. Convergent beam of light, and third one is divergent beam of light, when many rays of light arise from a source of light, point source, that is spread in a medium. This is divergent beam of light. The light coming from sun or other stars is in the form of parallel beam of light, right? That is a beam of light reflecting from a concave mirror forms convergent beam of light. Concentrate at a point, when many rays of light concentrate at a point. In this case, the distance between two rays of light decreases and finally becomes zero. And here divergent beam of light can be produced from a convex mirror after reflection, right? I will tell you about these different beam of light somewhat later on. Now see the next thing, reflection of light. Reflection of light. When a ray of light strikes to a surface, its some part is absorbed by the surface, whereas remaining parts comes back in the same medium. Suppose this is whiteboard and a ray of light strikes to the surface of this whiteboard. Some amount of light, that is a short amount of light, is absorbed by this surface, whereas remaining light comes in the same medium, reflect in the same medium. So see here, bouncing back a ray of light after striking to a smooth surface called reflection of light. In very simple way, when a ray of light strikes to a smooth surface of an object, it comes back in the same medium. This phenomenon is called a reflection of light. Right? Suppose there is a reflector suppose MN is a reflector, plain reflector like this whiteboard, and a ray of light strikes AO is a ray of light which strikes to this surface. What will happen? It comes back in the same medium. If you draw a perpendicular let OC, what will happen? Here OA or AO incident ray, OC normal ray, and OB reflected ray. Incident ray means a ray of light striking to the surface of an object. Normal ray, a ray of light incidenting on the point of incidence O perpendicular to the surface. And reflected ray, that is a ray of light that comes back in the same medium, that is OB. Now see the next thing, this is the reflector, which is also called a mirror, glass mirror, reflector. Here see, there are two laws regarding the reflection of light. But I will discuss in my next lecture about this. So consider only here this point, this is normal ray. One thing more, this angle is angle of incidence and this angle is angle of reflection. Angle AOC, angle I, angle of incidence, angle BOC, angle R. So take some homework regarding this. Define ray of light and beam of light. Draw parallel beam of light, convergent, beam of light and divergent beam of light. That is, draw the ray diagram. Question number 3. Define reflection of light Question number 4. Name incident ray, reflected ray, normal ray, angle of incidence, and angle of reflection in the given figure. Thank you very much.